I'd like to show a video about how to how to deconnect one of these pins for this connector. This is connector for the throttle body for a Nissan Sentra 2004. So first you need a flat screwdriver. You put it here this way and then just put your thumb here. Just take this out so you can take this piece. Here's the connector, see it, and here's the back of the connector. So let's take one wire of this connector. So you need kind of something that it looks like this tool here, so you can put it inside and just make one. Let's try to take the white wire, this wire here, you see it. So we want to take this one. Okay, so you just put it and there's a small thing here, you click it, see it. Oops. Oops. Just a second. Okay, so you can take this out. Let's try another one. If we take the one in this side, the red one, see it, this red one, you can see there's, you see this here, take it out, take it out, and this you can pull it now again. So the one you're gonna click it, it's inside. You just put this inside and click it outside. Hope this video will help you, because if something happened bad to these connectors, to your throttle body, these pins usually get weird, like some weird or something like that, and it's like changed. So you can just change one pin instead of buy this or buy the whole engine wire harness. Thank you.